All right, so I was wrong yesterday with the video from yesterday. This is not how I brought it down the first time. The steer tires were up there and I came down backwards. So that's where I went wrong yesterday. Can't have the steer tires here because that causes the machine to slide for some reason. So I had to apologize to the kid because we did some arguing yesterday about that. He was trying to tell me that I did it the other way and I didn't want to listen, so he was right, I was wrong. So I got the jack. I just got done praying. Need to do some praying on this one. See what we can do here. So here's what we're going to try to use. It's just a Harbor Freight. It's a long ram. It's for an engine hoist, replacement for an engine hoist. So we're going to try it. I mean, if that little car jack moved it a little bit, I'm sure this will do something. It's a 3-ton. What's this thing weigh?
16,000.
16,000 pounds? I don't know. We'll see. Should slide it. Let's find out. See what we can do here. See the tire moving. So far the lump's not moving, so that's good. So if that pops out, it's gonna fly up and smack me in the face, right?
Yes.
I just want to get it far enough so we can fit this in between the wall and the wheel. Let's see if there's anything under there. No, I think we'll be all right if that goes flying. Lots of creaking and cracking. Can you get a tape measure? Force right there being pushed. Oop, something cracked. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's getting ready to slide out of there.
Yeah, it's getting ready to before you started.
Stop.
It's not meant to. A round piston isn't supposed to go in a square hole.
All right, well let's loosen it. Oh no, it came back. So we didn't gain anything with that. All right, you want to pull that out of there? Give me that. What are you thinking?
Try and push on this wheel on an angle or something.
Can't be on an angle. It'll go flying. Plenty of crunching. And it's working. This tire's not force flexed here right now. Go as far as you can, and maybe we'll stick another 2x4 or 2 on there. I don't know how high that jack goes. Oh, it's definitely, no, keep going. It's definitely working. It's still moving.
jack's starting to flex. You see it? It's happy face.
Keep going.
You don't want to go too
As long as the house doesn't move, we're good. Oh, you're getting it. There's a gap between the wood and the tire now.
Think about it, the piston's already the length of the entire body.
So I keep going, bud. There's 2 pistons that come out. So it's like an antenna. You don't see it still moving as you're doing it? All right, so that's it. So now, before you release it, start to release it and make sure this doesn't come back over. It's probably gonna though. Yeah, it's coming back. All right, so go back as far as you can again. All right, I think that's it. Now we got to stick something in here. We need pieces of 2x4, little pieces, something. That's not gonna work. Oh, I wish we had something to push off of right here. All right, we gotta set something else up.
No, I think you gotta come this way.
I can't because of the generator. Yeah, if that was a steer tire, I could.
That's gonna push the concrete. I don't want to re-pour that concrete, right now.
We might have to. I'm gonna try to go slow, but this thing has seizures. See the lump? See the lump? See the lump? No, it doesn't work that way. There's a lump of concrete there. Huh?
Turn this wheel over and...
All right, so you got to come over and dig all that out then.
No, right along the wall, you should be good. You skated this way over, it's just way closer over here now. All you gotta do is turn these wheels this way and run along the bushes.
I'm telling you, I'm afraid it's going to hit that and wreck that tire.
Right, but I don't know if you saw, but you just moved this back end over like 2 feet.
Yeah, but now look, it started sliding back.
Right, but we just put some shims in here then.
Don't do that. It needs a ramp. You have to lay it flat and build it up is what you got to do.
You need to stop going this way. The height don't really matter anymore.
Yeah, the height matters because now that you did that, look, once that wheel comes down, it's going to slide back to the lump and we're stuck again. So you got to lay them down flat, Ryan. I need to be able to ride down flat. That ain't gonna work. See,
This used to be here.
so you just ramped it into the concrete. That's not gonna work. I'll wait until you figure it out. I'm not moving.
You know what I'm saying? You do this by yourself.
Listen, what I'm telling you need to do is lay it flat. I don't need any drop-offs, no cliffs. That's the problem. There you go. Leave it like that. Leave it ramped away. not ramp toward. I put the other one in there too. Figure out how to put it that'll keep me away from the wall. Not right there though. All right, yeah, maybe we'll try that. Let's see what happens. That's all it took. Just put them 2x12s on a slant like that to slope me away. There's too much going on here. But we're out. So now it's time to go up and remove the rest of this nonsense. Get it ready for stucco. All right, just to give you an idea of the situation, because you can't really tell in videos what kind of situation a person's in unless you show them everything. But this is the street. This is the driveway, is the only way in. So if I'm stuck back there in that backyard, the only way to get in there is to come down here, go over there and down. And you're not getting a tow truck over there. So let me show you the whole situation real quick. Plus I got a big ass dumpster in the way. Got bollards here, so we're not bahaing down the hill to get around there. See, it can't go down that way. Can't go this way because it's a deck that wasn't built right. When you walk on it, it squishes, so you can't go this way. You can't come up from the creek down there. You can't do that. That's a dead end. So there was no way I was getting a tow truck here to help me. I had to do this myself. The only option I had was to drive the Blazer around. And now that I got the 4x4 working, the Blazer might have helped a little bit. I mean, I had an 80-footer stuck down the Jersey Shore in the sand, and I pulled it out with my Suburban. I had an old 93 Suburban. The 4x4 pulled it right out. But you're not getting a tow truck back here. He'll get stuck. He'll need a tow truck. So there's the situation. I was stuck right there. Just to give you an idea of the layout. So if you get jammed up down here, you're in trouble.